Thank you, Bishop, for your valuable presence and words. We have flames in our heart. The great vision of our founder came true through education which expels darkness. Now I request all our dignitaries to step forward and enkindle the lamp.
असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यु मा अमृतं गमया असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यु मा अमृतं गमया असतो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्यु मा अमृतं गमया अमृतं गमया अमृतं गमया